Hey, check this out. Welcome back to my channel. This is a outdoors RV Backcountry 24KRS. These guys just arrived from the factory a few days ago. So in the back here, we've got the refrigerator vent, spare tire, fat ladder. It's a big 1-inch tube diameter ladder. Got the hitch there, and then this is the exhaust ports for the furnace. And looking up on the roof here, that's our fridge exhaust vent. We have a plumbing vent right there, and then that is one of our vents. That's the one above the kitchen, but I really like those vents. I'll throw a link up above to a video I did on upgrading to that style vent on my current RV. And then we have the WineGuard 360 antenna, which is also a Wi-Fi extender. I think it will also do 4G internet by adding a SIM card to it and a data plan. Air conditioner, of course, and skylight for the bathroom, and then two more of our vents right there, and then another plumbing vent, and then there's our solar panel. That's a skylight above the dinette. This one doesn't have a slide topper awning. That's probably one of the first things I would add if I bought this model, is to add a slide topper awning. Looking around the dealer's lot here, you can see that some of them do have a slide topper awning. The advantage of a slide topper awning is if you're camped in the woods, you don't have to come up on the roof and sweep off the pine needles and whatnot. And here we have our shore power hookup and our cable TV and satellite hookups right there. Of course, we got our license plate bracket with a license plate light. And there's our hot water heater. And this is a really neat feature. Inside here, there's a secondary water pump with a spray port. So there's a little switch right up here to turn that pump on, and then this quick disconnect hose plugs in right there. And that's a high output pump too. It's 4 gallons per minute and 60 psi. So you could wash off your dogs or wash off your feet or whatnot. Really deep slide out, and we've got windows on the front of the slide out and the back. Actually, we don't have one on the front, just on the side and on the back. And this is a new upgrade this year. We've got kayak style ports to reach in there and get access to your tank dump handles. And I'm not sure where there's the black tank that's kind of hiding around the side here. And then we've got a utility light outside. Freshwater dump valve. 16-inch Goodyear tires. Those would be the ST 235 8016. Super well built slide out. This is all aluminum framing down here too. And here's our Santa flush for the black tank. Got an Onan 3600 watt generator. One of the new things about the Backcountry models this mid-2020 model year is you can now order these just as generator ready. In other words, they would have the ability to be ordered as a generator delete option. Otherwise, they're standard with the generator. Totally built for off-grid. Got 40-pound propane tanks, which is just a little bit over 9 gallons. And they also have the Outdoors RV off-grid battery tray, which will accommodate 4 batteries in there. And this has a little cable lock. It's called the toy lock. And larger compartment door on this side. And then we have the MorRyde slide out tray. And then we've got a couple of holders there for various types of gear. And over here we've got our cargo compartment light, which is right there, and that's a switch for it, I would assume, and then a battery cutoff switch. I don't know, that switch might be for something else because the light has its own switch on it. Here's our weight rating sticker. Gross vehicle weight 99.95, hitch weight 946. Unloaded vehicle weight is 7,416 pounds. Magnetic cargo door hold open devices. Super nice aluminum step treads. And this door here goes into the bedroom. And then right in this area here is the bathroom. We've got 2 outdoor speakers, super big awning with a little doodad in the middle there that supports the awning in the middle. Here's a closer look at our tires and wheels. MorRyde CRE 3000 suspension. We've got shocks on all 4 wheels. And these are KYB shocks, I believe. And this has never adjust brakes. They actually do adjust themselves. They're forward adjusting. What I mean by that is as you're driving forward and apply the brakes, they will adjust themselves tighter as need be. Let's go inside and take a look too. And this is a light tan color interior. This is not a bolted down sofa. This is actually kind of a residential style sofa, but it does fold down into a bed. 4 large cabinets up above, and then here we have all of our tank monitors and switches and whatnot. Awning, slide room, freshwater tank heater. That's a 12-volt tank heating system. This would be switch for one of the interior lights. Generally that's the one right above the door here, and then the other one would be our awning and our tank monitors, and then our generator control up there. The skylight above the dinette area, kind of a standard thing for outdoors RV. Huge dining table. Nice entertainment center with the TV mounted at an angle so you can see it from the dinette or from the sofa area. Nice big entertainment counter here, and we've got charging ports up there. This is a really deep cabinet. That actually goes all the way back. Wow, that's huge. That's super cool. One of the things I did notice by looking at another one of these that's in stock at this dealer, it had the slide retracted. The slide pretty much comes to about right here. So you can't get the bathroom door open far enough to get inside of it. It only opened about, oh, probably that far. But that's why they've got 2 entry doors. There's one right around the corner there, but really super nice bathroom. Porcelain bowl toilet. Lots of foot room, you know, whatnot for getting dressed and whatnot after your shower. Super nice shower too. And we've got our medicine cabinet. We've got a light right up there, and then another light. And this, I did not know that this was a sliding door here by looking at all of the photos online. This one has Maxxfan deluxe fans at all 3 vent locations, and here's the remote for that one. This is for the one in the bedroom. And this model also is standard with either 160 or 170 watt solar panel. So there's our controller right there. We've got our ducted AC vent. We have one in the bedroom. We've got 3 overhead lights in the bedroom, and then there's our mounting location for our bedroom TV. That's nice, where we've got a couple of coat hooks there. Main door to the living area out of the bedroom. And here's our switch for the bedroom light. And then secondary water pump switch, bathroom light, and then our controls for the bathroom fan. And we do have a heat vent in the bathroom as well as one in the bedroom there. And then we've got 3 lights in the bathroom plus ducted vent for the AC. And then this would be lights for the main living area, I would guess, and then our thermostat for the heat and the AC. Nice big pantry that doubles as a hanging closet, so you can pull these shelves out. This is really deep too. That's got to be close to 3 feet deep. You can kind of get a perspective of how deep it is right there. And then our cabinets. Just one big open cabinet. It extends all the way through. You've got 4 speakers in the main living area, and then here's our other vent. Also a remote operated Maxxfan. Well, a super nice flush range top, which this would double as more counter space because it's flush with the counter there. Really nice oven with a glass window in it. Lots of storage space under there. And then we have a heat vent right here, and then we've got one on the floor also. And there's another one over here by the bathroom door. Storage drawers underneath the dinette with super heavy duty roller glide drawers. Absolutely enormous too. I like that. And under here we've got removable panels for another way of accessing the under dinette storage. Of course, the drawer only goes part way back. It is a fairly deep drawer, but then if you wanted more storage, you can pull up the cushion and get access with the little removable panels, which is the base plate under the dinette. Here's our switch for the lights above the dinette, and this is different. There isn't a centralized light fixture over the table like there is in a lot of the other models of outdoors RVs that I've looked at. So this has 4 recessed puck lights. And these shades here are mini blinds, which that's pretty normal for the kitchen area because the mini blinds are a lot easier to clean. And then blackout roller shades for the living area. Those are made by a company called Irvine Window and Shade. I didn't look at this cabinet. There's just a single cabinet, no shelf, but it also goes all the way back. And we've got one light fixture under the overhead cabinets there. And then we also have a drawer under the refrigerator. A really big freezer and refrigerator too. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up the tour for the 2020 mid-model year 24KRS. Hope you enjoyed the tour.